How to contact Agoda customer service. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can contact Agoda customer service. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, simply search for Agoda customer service and hit enter. After you do that, you'll find the Agoda's website. Head over there. And here you can see this is the contact us page. So there is a lot of different options here. So if you simply scroll down, you'll find different answers to your questions. There is different Q&As that you can see, and that's one way of doing it. But if some answer does not give you satisfaction, you can actually contact them. So if you head over here, tap on this unlike button, tap on show more option, and there you can see contact Agoda services. You can head over chat with us. After you head over to chat with us, now you can start talking with the Agoda customer services chatbot. Doing that, you should be basically able to fix your problem, and that's how you contact Agoda's customer service. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.